Good morning, everybody. My name is Sailor Arguez, and for my research topic, I went ahead and decided to focus on teaching in bilingual education. So, many educators may encounter students who speak a different language other than English at home, and now they are being put into schools, classrooms, or environments where they are forced to learn English. The topic this project focused on was learning how to teach a group of bilingual students in classrooms of mainly English-only speaking students. So to further my research, I went ahead and did two methods, and one of them being having teachers and administration take a survey on research questions based on the literature review. And my second method was a comprehensive literature review on how to teach in a classroom with students who are bilingual, but the teacher is not and is only English speaking. So for my results, I did put together a survey to further my research, but with the COVID-19 pandemic currently happening, it was difficult to get communication from other school districts to gather information. But fortunately, I did find overall results in my literature review and learned that overall, there is plenty of resources for educators to help assist EL learners in a more compassionate way. Sources from this research also point out how to start good habits at younger ages when students are learning another language. That way, when they become older, they break the habits and have a smoother transition to a new language. I wanted to go into deep research on ways I can prevent any damages to an educator who also does not speak any other language than English and give them ways or different approaches they can take in the situation of dealing with EL students. The overall purpose of this project was to show teachers to not be afraid to work with students with a different home language. And the point of this project was to show that every student deserves the right to an education no matter the situation. So it is in our hands as educators to find ways that will best benefit every individual student. Thank you so much.